Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute since I put out a video, but I wanted to take you guys along with me as I chop off my hair again. The look that I'm going for is low enough to do finger waves, but long enough to slick my hair down. My coworker Dorsey is going to do my hair. I did cut my hair in 2017. I've been natural all of my life, but in 2017 I big chopped. So yeah, this should be fun. I'm nervous yet excited. Like, I wear my hair slicked back all the time, so I feel like there's really not going to be too much of a difference besides the fact I won't have a little puff in the back. But I decided it's time, and as long as I'm happy, that's the only thing that matters. It doesn't matter what other people think, as long as I'm confident in myself and I love my hair. That's all that matters. So here I am. I'm finally gonna do it, because I always say even when I get older, I do think that I'll cut my hair off and just keep it short. But it came a little sooner than later. So here we are. I think I'm gonna look older for sure. But I think I'm gonna look nice with it. So I'm excited, but I'm nervous all at the same time. And I just got my hair cut into a bob like 2 weeks ago, and that's another reason why I just decided my hair has been acting up. It's been going crazy, so that's another reason why I just decided to go ahead and do it. But yeah, look at this little chi-chi bun. I can't even, this is a puff. I can barely do a bun these days, y'all. So I'm definitely excited, but I'm definitely nervous at the same time, just because it's something new all over again, and I don't know. So yeah. Now, perfect. Whoa, that's a lot of hair. Barely. Oh my. It's gone. It's gone.
dollar. You know this, it's McDonald's. It's CP and CP. I'm a nappy boy.
Hey y'all, so I just realized I did not create an outro the day that I recorded that video. So here I am now making my outro. I got my hair cut on May 30th, so this week makes a month and 1 week. So I've been loving my haircut so much. I absolutely love it. This is normally how I just wear it because I have not mastered the finger waves like Dorsey did. So that was the first and last time I had some finger waves, unfortunately. So this is the closest thing I got. I got some soft waves going on. Let me know if y'all want a tutorial. But I love this haircut. I've gotten a lot of compliments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my channel, most importantly. Share this video. Comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. If you guys want a hair routine video, I'm going to try my best to become consistent again on the YouTube. You guys, I'm sorry I've neglected you guys. I've received a lot of DMs and comments on my Instagram, and I am sorry, but life, man, life, that's what's got the best of me. Life and trying to work, really work has consumed me a lot. I do have an actual job outside of YouTube, so that, and I just be tired, but I know I have to put forth some effort, and nothing, I can't keep giving excuses and putting it off, and y'all are here for the content, so I'm gonna try and give y'all what you want. So here I am. Hold me accountable now. So I think it's really a lot of people, it's the DMs, it's the comments, and it is the people in my friends and family. They all been asking me lately, so I'm like, okay, I gotta get back on it. I know y'all missed me, and I've missed y'all too. So hugs and kisses. I need to get my nails done. So yeah, and I'm thinking about dyeing my hair. I've been thinking about it ever since I first got it done. What colors do y'all think I would look nice with? Red is an option. Red, like a auburn orange, like a burnt orange. Blonde. Somebody told me pink or purple. That's just too far. But let me know. Let me know what y'all think, because I could do a lot of colors with this, especially since it's short. So it wouldn't take long for my hair to grow out, and I'd switch up the color if I didn't like it. Or you can always put black over it. I hope you guys enjoyed once again. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.